this video, I'll guide you through how to update your PHP version in GoDaddy. Keeping your PHP version up to date is really important for security, performance, and compatibility with modern websites, especially if you're running WordPress or other content management systems. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're not very technical. First, you'll want to log in to your GoDaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is where GoDaddy lists everything you've purchased, including your domain names and hosting plans. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled Web Hosting. Under that section, you should see the hosting account that's running the website you want to update. Next, click the Manage button next to your web hosting account. This will open the main hosting dashboard for that specific account. It might take a few seconds to load, so don't worry if there's a short delay. Once the dashboard appears, you'll see different tabs and options that control how your hosting is set up. Now, look for a tab or a menu labeled Settings and click on it. This is where GoDaddy keeps the key configuration options for your hosting environment. Inside the settings area, you should see a section called Server Settings. This is where you can control things like your PHP version. Within the server settings section, find the option that says PHP version. Right next to it, there will be a button or link labeled Change. Go ahead and click Change to open the PHP version selector. This is the part where you actually decide which version of PHP you want your hosting account to use. A drop-down menu will appear with different PHP versions you can choose from, such as PHP 8.3 or PHP 8.4, depending on what GoDaddy currently supports. It's usually best to choose the latest stable version that your website and applications are compatible with. If you're using a platform like WordPress, you can quickly check their recommended PHP version on their official documentation before you make the switch. Once you've selected the desired version from the drop-down menu, click Save Changes. The system may take a moment to apply the new settings. In many cases, the update is almost instant, but sometimes it can take a short while for everything to fully refresh. After saving, it's a good idea to visit your website in a new browser tab and click around a bit to make sure everything loads correctly. If you have a staging site or a backup, having that in place before making changes is always a smart precaution. And that's all there is to it. You've updated your PHP version in GoDaddy, which should help keep your site more secure and running smoothly.